Frustrated with the lack of growth in your small business? Well, keep watching. I'm going to let you in on 3 secrets that helped my business skyrocket past that $1 million mark. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of any time I upload a video that will help you grow your business to create the life you've always wanted. Secret number 1, pretend you're going on a long vacation. You won't have access to your email, you can't text, you can't take phone calls. Make a list of all of the issues that are going to arise while you're away. What do you need to fix now so that you actually have a business to come back to when you get back? Who do you need to hire? How will they know what to do? Who's in charge while you're away? These are all really important questions that need to be answered before you step out of the office for an extended period of time. Step number 2, assign positions and responsibilities. Now this can get a little chaotic, but the way I recommend doing it is to first create your organizational chart based on position, and then with each position, outline the basic responsibilities of each. Once you have the positions and the tasks in place, it's time to assign a specific employee for each one of those positions. And if you have a smaller company, it's very likely that one employee will be responsible for more than one position. And there's nothing wrong with that, that's fine. The main thing you want to accomplish here is that you want to make sure that each task is assigned to someone specific. That way you know who's getting it done. And don't forget to add yourself to the organizational chart. Comment below, I want to know what your position is in your business. Secret number 3, document how you want it done. Now there are as many different ways to get things done as there are people in your organization, but only you know how to get it done the way you know it needs to get done. That's why every major system in your business really needs to be documented. In my business, we've made the documentation based on position. For example, we have a customer service representative binder, which lists all of the systems and processes, a written explanation for each one of everything from how to answer the phone to how to handle a customer complaint. Compiling all of these systems and processes sure can be a tedious job, but I promise you it will be so worth it, because when you're done, you will have manuals for every single position in your company. There'll be a great reference for training, and there'll be a great reference for accountability measures. By creating these binders, you've actually taken all of the guesswork out of your employee's job. So no longer do they have to bug you when they need to know how to do something. It increases their confidence because they can figure it out on their own. It also increases your confidence in them because you've already written down how you expect it to be done. Systemizing was one of the best things I've ever done in my business. It took about a year to get everything rolling the way I wanted to, but after that I was able to take a 3-week vacation with my family. We took our 5th wheel across the country to California to see the redwoods. That was on my bucket list, and we've never looked back since then. If you're struggling to grow your small business, I would really love to help. Reach out and book a 1-hour strategy session with me. Down below is a link in the description box. Be sure to check out this link on more tips and strategies on how to grow your small business. Link will be in the description box below. And remember, when you grow your mind, you don't have to grind. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.